I don't want classes in April because it is the month of summer and I don't want to come to school in this burning heat.
You want your holidays in April?
I do want my holidays in April because I have studied the whole year and I want a break so that I can refresh my mind, and I want a break so that I can go for camps, especially for dance camps, because I love dancing and I would like to dance on stage.
Hi, I am Francil from class 6 and I do not want to come to school in April because the weather is hot and I cannot study in a hot classroom. I need holidays to relax and engage in sports activities and come back to school relaxed and motivated in the month of June.
My name is Louis. I'm from Standard 9th.
Louis, do you want schools to start in April?
School should not be starting in April because of the scorching heat, and people have different kind of disease and different types of like eyes disease, and like they faint easily and it causes a lot of problems. And as soon as our exam gets over, we need a vacation, which is necessary because studies come first, but then we also need a break and we need outdoor games. We need to go for example, football and different kind of activities.
Yeah, so Louis, do you need holidays? Do you want holidays?
Yes, I do need and I do want it because it's necessary because of the heat, and soon as my exam gets over, I need it. I need a break. I need to go for different activities, for different vacations and spend time with my family.
Hi, I'm Samuel and I'm in Standard 6.
Samuel, do you want schools to start during April?
No, I don't want schools to start in April
Why?
because I have eye allergy and my eyes hurt in summer and it kills my health.
Samuel, do you need holidays?
Yes, I need holidays.
Okay, that's a smile on your face. Why do you need holidays?
It refreshes my mind. It is necessary. Yes, we need a break.
I am Sridhar and I'm in Standard 8.
Sweezel, do you want schools to start during April?
No, I do not want schools to start during April.
Why is it?
Because of the scorching and burning heat, how does the school expect us to come to school?
Do you need holidays?
Yeah, holidays are compulsory for children and to do outdoor activities and play football and all. I love football and I want to focus on it. Yeah, we do need holidays in April as it was before. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Abigail. I'm in Standard 8.
Abigail, do you want schools to start in April?
No, I do not want school to start in April, especially when the heat is out and it's burning heat. How do they expect us to come to school, especially in the summer?
So, Abigail, do you want holidays?
Yes, I do want holidays so I can spend time with my family and travel and experience places, and I can go for football practices, especially knowing I love football.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.